Hi, everybody. I'm delighted to be here this evening on this edition of Ask the Author. Thank you so much, Subodh and Lakshmi, for having me here. And thank you all for sending so many questions my way. It was quite a hard task selecting three out of all the questions sent to me, but I think I have managed to do that. We'll start with the first question then. The first question is from Jayant Rao. Which was the book that made you think you could be a writer and why? Well, it wasn't a book, it was a writer really. It was Alice Munro, all her writings. What happened was that about 18 years ago, I spent an extended time at home for certain personal reasons. And I read a lot. I've always read a lot, but during this time, I read very widely, deeply, extensively, and somehow read a lot of Alice Munro. At the end of it, something very odd happened. I felt I had something to say. And my journey as an author started with that feeling. So, in a way, it wasn't a book, it was the collected writings. It was a writer, Alice Munro, who pushed me into probably being a writer. Second question from Nishita Sikka. For both your novels, Rebirth and Undertow, you've chosen a female protagonist. As a lady, is it easier to relate to a female character? Would it be challenging to base your story on a male protagonist? Well, yes. Being a woman, it's always easier writing about women, I guess. But having said that, many of my characters, especially in my short fiction, are male. And I found I had no difficulty whatsoever in writing about them. In fact, I'll go as far as to say that in Undertow, one of the protagonists, there are actually two, there's Loya, the young woman, and there's a grandfather, is a man, is an older man, and I had no difficulty writing from his point of view. I think that if you take enough interest in people, if you observe people widely enough, old and young, men and women, you really should not have any difficulty as a writer in writing from any point of view. So I didn't find it difficult, no, and although it is easier as a woman perhaps to look into the mind and soul of a woman. The third and last question, again a very beautiful question, a very complex question, which requires actually a very complex answer, from Aman Mishra, who says, your book Undertow beautifully depicts the complexity of human relationships. It has threads of displacement, it has politics, you also wrote about patriarchy. You give so many elements in a single book. How do you decide the tone of a book? Now, this is really a deep and very vast question, but I'll try to answer it as well as I can here. For me, the character comes first. The story comes to me when a character appears in front of me, and naturally, all the issues that surround or the character engages with is what I tend to write about. In Undertow, for example, Loya, a young woman of 25, decides to travel from her home in Bangalore to her mother's home in Assam, looking for some answers to some very big unanswered questions in her life. So questions of identity, of politics, of loneliness, of family politics, of second chances all come about because these are the issues that lap around her life. So eventually for me, it is the character of the book who decides the tone of the book really. I hope I've been able to answer the question in this short time. Thank you all very much for writing in, for placing these beautiful questions in front of us. Thank you, Subodh and Lakshmi, so much for this wonderful effort in connecting readers to their authors. Good night and good luck.